Now, reactions this evening from family, friends and community members to the latest development in the case of the man accused of killing a Clarendon woman and her 4 children. The DPP on Tuesday took steps to ensure they can ask for the death penalty for Roshane Barnett, the main suspect in the murders.
The people of New Road in Cocopies, Clarendon are determined to get justice for Kamisha Wright and her 4 children who were mercilessly murdered last week, which is why they welcomed news that the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions had filed a notice of death penalty in the Supreme Court for the sentencing of Roshane Barrett. For the people, an execution would be justified considering the brutal nature of the act.
It's either them put him in a shocking chair, firing squad, or a rope over his head. A man can look on a 1-year-old baby and kill a baby, a 5-year-old baby, a 10-year-old baby, not to mention a 15-year-old, and kill them and kill his mother.
To me, I don't know about anybody else, it is deserving. Even though God have forgiveness, we have to ask God Him forgive us, but to this right now, it's really sad and we can't take it. The whole world are mourning for this situation.
It's a good idea, but it needs something else for you. The death penalty that I heard needs some punishment behind it before the death penalty.
One resident reasoned that an execution could aid in the fight against crime in the country.
Too much crime is going on. And if we have a death penalty, we think lesser crime will apply. So we need it to happen. That's all we want. Because all them are killing and no one dead. We want it to happen.
Kamisha Wright, 31, 15-year-old Kimanda Smith, 12-year-old Charlie Smith, 5-year-old Raffaella Smith, and 1-year-old Kishon Henry were killed at their home allegedly by 23-year-old Roshane Barnett. Their bodies had chop wounds and their throats slashed. And even as the community prepares to observe a candlelight vigil in the slain's family memory, they say the pain is still raw a week later. Kamisha's father said the alleged motive behind the attack makes him sick each time he thinks about the ordeal.
Him owe her, and she asks her for her money, and him says she diss her. She diss him. You can't kill a person for that. Because if me or anybody and them come to me for their money, them have a right. In borrow our money, $15,000.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.
In the meantime, post-mortems were performed on the bodies of Kamisha Wright and her 4 children today. The autopsies were conducted in Spanish Town, St. Catherine at the Archers Funeral Home. Our correspondent spoke with Deputy Commissioner Fitz Bailey about today's findings.
As anticipated, the post-mortem was done today, and as we anticipated, the person that died from stab wound and punctured wound and laceration. That's essentially what it is saying. They were badly, stabbed up, and especially the mother. There were several cuts that were identified and stab wounds.